Hajj and Umrah are among the most sacred journeys in a Muslim's life. But before the pilgrimage begins, every Muslim must enter a special spiritual state called Ihram. It's not just a dress code, it's a powerful symbol of purity, devotion and equality before Allah. For men, Ihram means two white unstitched cloths, one wrapped around the waist and the other over the shoulder. For women, there is no special uniform, but they must wear modest and loose clothing, avoiding perfume and makeup. When a pilgrim wears the Ihram, they are declaring to Allah, I am here, leaving behind my pride, status and worldly distractions. Start saying talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik la sharika laka Labbaik. Innal hamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika laka means, here I am, O Allah, here I am. There is no partner with you. Indeed, all praise, blessings and sovereignty belong to you. This is the moment the pilgrim becomes focused, peaceful and fully devoted to Allah. Pilgrims enter Ihram before crossing the miqat, a set point around Makkah that marks the boundary for entering the sacred state. Whether you're flying or driving, when you reach the miqat, the designated point for pilgrimage, you need to make your intention niyyah. There are three different ways to enter Ihram depending on the type of pilgrimage you're doing. First, Tamattu. When a person performs Umrah before Hajj, they enter the state of Ihram by saying Allahumma Labbaik Umrah. After completing Umrah, they exit Ihram. Later, for Hajj they re-enter Ihram from Makkah and must offer a sacrifice as part of the Tamattu pilgrimage, which is the easiest way. Second, Ifrad. When a person enters the state of Ihram for Hajj alone, saying Allahumma Labbaik Hajj, they do not need to offer a sacrifice. Third, Qiran. When a person enters the state of Ihram for both Hajj and Umrah together, saying Allahumma Labbaik Hajj wa Umrah. The Qiran pilgrim follows the same actions as the Ifrad pilgrim, but must also offer a sacrifice. Remember, Ihram reminds us that everyone is equal before Allah, rich or poor, famous or unknown. All men wear the same white cloth and women wear modest clothes. There's no difference in status or appearance, only piety matters. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for mankind for more informative content and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.